Hello everyone, welcome back to the Stock Valley YouTube channel. Today we will talk about the Netflix stocks. Ticker symbol is NFLX. Let's start from big pictures. Netflix started a strong rally on July 15, 2022. At that time, starting price was around $16. From this level, the stock moved up for a long time. This rally continued until July 1st, 2021. On that date, Netflix reached around $134. This level became an important top. After this point, the stock started to pull back. Now let's move forward in time. On November 19, 2025, Netflix broke below the 200 days moving average. This was very important signal because the 200 days moving average is like a key level for long time trend directions. After breaking below this average on December 2nd, the stock came back up and tested the 200 days moving average from below, but it failed to move above it. From that moment, selling pressure increased. From the 106 and $109 zone, Netflix started to fall from the around $78. During this selling period, we can see something important. The volume stayed relatively steady. This tells us that selling was controlled, not panic selling. But still, the direction remains down. So now the big question is what happens on the next? Will Netflix bounce from here or will the stocks go all way back to the $20 area where the rally started? The answer is we need to look at the chart more closely. Let's start the Fibonacci retracements. As the starting point, we take the June 15, 2022 around the $1640. As the ending point, we take all the time high, which is around $134. When we draw the Fibonacci levels, some very important zone appears. When we zoom in the chart, we can see the Fibonacci 0.5 levels is equals $75.31 was tested several times. Specifically, on the February 13, 14, and 17, this price came to this level. Each time we saw a small reaction to upward. This tells us buyers are trying to defend this area. Now let's look at the another important Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci $0.38 is equal $89. This level is very important because in the past during the uptrends, Netflix used this area as a support. Here, the price touched this level, got support and continued to the higher. But during the recent pullback, this level was tested again. Between the January 9 and January 14, this area worked as a support. However, after the close on the January 20, we saw a gap down opening to January 21. With this gap, the $89 support was broken. This was another negative signal. Now let's talk about the downside risk. The next important Fibonacci level is 0.31, 0.61 is equal 6132. This level very critical. If Netflix cannot hold above the $61, then the downside risk increase. But this level, we have another major support area $42. This would be a very deep correction. Now let's talk about the second scenario. Instead of falling directly, the Netflix may move sideways. The side may move around the $75 and $98 from the possibles. This would like to horizontal wave like moments. But even in this case, the one thing is very important. The price must be stay above $71. Any strong move below this level would be dangerous. In technical analysis, the Fibonacci 0.5, 0.61 levels are often seen as positive reversal zones. In many stocks, we see strong bounces from these levels. And Netflix can make a healthy bounces from the $75, $71. This can be improved and the future upsides potential of the stocks. Finally, let's talk about the upsides again. If Netflix can move above the $89, then buying interest can start to increase again. Above these levels, the chart structure would like to much better. So summarize, $75 short-term reaction levels to $71 critical supports, Below 71 is risky. Increases $89. Key resistance above the 89. Buying can strengthen. Right now, Netflix is in very sensitive zone. The next move will decide the medium-term direction. That's all for Netflix talk today. If you like this analysis, please hit the like button. If you are not subscribed yet, you can subscribe to the channel. And if you want to support us, you can share this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.